Good day guys, so I just want to share to you a trade breakdown of the setup that I shared in one of the GC that I'm in right now. This is GBPAUD setup, so as you can see this is GBPAUD, and I called out this trade. I'm expecting price to return to my point of entry and then continue to move to the upside. So let's see on the chart what actually happened. Here as you can see, dito tayo nakapasok, no? We're able to enter here, and then right now price is moving in our desired take profit right here. So ito yung ating TP, final TP, but kinonsider din natin mag partial close dito along the way, no? So right now I will show you the trade breakdown. Why did I take this trade and how did I take this trade? So this particular breakdown is specifically made para magkaroon ng example at ma-review ulit yung mga gumagamit ng market maker blueprint, especially si Ma'am Grace. Okay? So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya tinake using yung market maker blueprint strategy natin. So what I'm going to do is I will be using a backtesting tool para makita po natin kung step by step po ano yung naging process. Okay? So balik tayo ng let's say balik tayo ng 6:30. Okay? 6:30 around June 30 ng 16. Okay? So we will go to GBPAUD. We're gonna use this backtesting tool. Where are you? Okay, babalikan natin yung 6:30 and then 16. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so this is pretty much it, and then okay, so eto na siya, no? Kala nga, let me just remove yung drawing tool. So nung June 30, this is where the price is or was. Wala, it's not working. Why? Men, ay gumana. Okay, ulitin natin. 6:30. Oops. 6:30 and then 16. Okay. And then let me remove drawing tool. So yeah, so andito yung price no nung time na yon. That was 6:30. Okay, this were the price, and then minark natin itong daily 1 hour demand. Okay, this is 1 hour demand, and ang goal natin o ang pinaka-plan ko dyan is I will wait for the price to top the zone. So basically this is scalping na pwede mo siyang i-turn into swing or day trade setup para mas ma-maximize mo yung potential profit niya. So basically nung nag-check tayo ng chart, so ito yung itsura niya. So our plan, wait natin yung price na itap na yung zone. Okay, so okay, price top yung ating demand zone. The reason being kung bakit ako nag-buy dito, it's because we had a uptrend market structure here. So malinaw naman, price is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I was expecting price will retrace to mitigate itong ating demand zone, to test, to build whatever it's in here. So there are buy orders here, and then continue eventually kung mag-create siya ng new higher high. So that was the plan. So, and then after na itap yung ating demand zone, we drop down to, in this case, since we are using a scalping, so from H1 we drop down to M5, or I think 1 minute, yeah. So 1 minute, and then from there, this is where we look for the market maker blueprint. Okay, set up. So basically, in-identify natin yung let me just okay. So in-identify natin dito yung ating market maker blueprint. Okay, so from here I was able to see, okay, meron tayo ditong SBP, substantial buying pressure, and then here we have the panic selling, okay, and then we have the liquidity test, then liquidity test reaction LTR, then we have this LT again, LT, then we have this S1, this S1, then we have this S2, sorry for the noise, then we have this S3. Okay, so what we did is we wait the price to create yung hinihintay natin na market maker blueprint schematic, which is here, and then we just wait for the price to break our minor structure here. Okay, so this is the minor structure or minor swing, yung swing na create after ng S2, no? So hintayin natin na i-break yan. As soon as the price breaks, okay, as soon as the price breaks this minor structure, this is where we look for CRAR entry, or yung tinatawag natin correction after reversal entry. Okay, so after this break, so we look left, and then nakita natin tong demand na to, this becomes our point of entry. So you can see, this is where we decide to take a trade. Right, so this is where we decide to take a trade. Let me just go back to the screenshot that I sent in one of the group that I'm in. Okay, so this is it. So ito yon yung screenshot natin do sa one of the group that we are in. So ito yung break ng ating minor structure, and then we wait for price to pull back, and then we are tagged. Okay, after a couple of minutes we are in. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so price starts to retrace. So we are in 1 minute, so inaabot siya ng a couple of minutes. Yan, so we are in, na-activate yung order natin. Okay, our stop loss at that time was placed here, somewhere around here. Our target was up here. So what happened? Okay, so dito, as you can see, nag-create siya ng lower time frame, a schematic pattern, market maker pattern. Again, so ulitin natin ito. So this is the panic selling, and then here we have SBP, panic selling, liquidity test reaction, liquidity test or sign of strength, and then we have S1, S2, S3, and then price break. Well, kung nag-entry kayo ulit, kung meron kayong mas lower than 1 minute, let's say na meron kayong trading view, pwede kayo nakapag-enter dito probably sa 30 second time frame. Kita nyo to? So same thing, yung nangyari dito, it's the same thing with this. So in just, ito lang, it's a lower time frame, but hindi na ako pumasok dito, no, because I was asleep at that time. So you can see, na-activate yung ating pending dito sa level na to, and then price moves in our favor. So you can see. Well, let me just I am using backtesting tool, so let us go to 15 minutes, no, para mabilis yung movement ng price. Okay, so price reach this level, and right now nandito na siya. Okay, so I was expecting for the price to top this our take profit here. So right now, ready ko na siyang i-close. Actually, we have supply here, so we may find some reaction here, pressure, selling pressure to move the price. So that's why I decided to secure some of my profits. But I believe, yeah, malaki din yung chances na ito ay i-break kasi it was already, this supply was already used up by this test. Okay, so you can see we have trend line here, price break, so confirming this supply and this supply as well, but it was already tested. So yeah, probably we could find some reaction here, so pwede natin i-move yung ating stop loss dito. Okay, if ever mag drop down siya, at least we are secure with $50 profit. So this is the trade breakdown using the market maker blueprint. So gamitin nyo to, Ma'am Grace, to, you know, review the setup. So it's very easy. Just look for higher time frame zone. So pwedeng H1, pwedeng H4, and then once price top the zone, and then you drop down to either 5 minute or 1 minute, no, for scalping. So this is strategy for scalping. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next